Gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, fucking mask on.
Hey you guys, in today's video we are going to be doing this look on this pretty blue smoky eye. I really love this look. It's so easy, guys. This is such an easy makeup look, so let's just get right into it. So I want to show you guys how I use the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel. Put it on a brush and I pretty much cover my brows with it, and then I just like wipe it through my brows a little bit if I need to. But this stuff stays so well. I love this color. This is shade medium brown, and I really highly suggest this. You can use it just like a brow gel, or you can use it like I do right here. And I see them using it on their artists on their Anastasia story like that. So I was like, you know what? Let me try it, and guess what? I love it. We're gonna use my favorite new eyeshadow base, which is the I Love Stage eyeshadow base from Essence. This is about $3.99. I believe it comes in 2 shades, maybe. I'm not sure. I can't really remember. But this is like a base, like kind of skin tone color. And just apply it all over the place. And then I blend it out. This is a Sigma 3D sponge in black. They also have it in pink. I'll link it down below. And I really love this eyeshadow primer because of the fact that it's not too mattifying, but it does like grip onto the shadows and they blend out seamlessly on top of this. And please no hate on this video. I'm using Jeffree Star's Blue Blood because I like Jeffree Star's brand. So we're going to take Blue Monday and we're going to just pat it all over the lid from inner to outer. I never ever do anything like this, so I just gave you guys something different. And I really wanted to make a look with this color being the staple like shade. And it's just so pretty and deserves a moment. So what it is, I just like, you know, went all over my lid and packed it on. And then I just started to blend it out just a tiny little bit, not a lot at all. And then I'm taking the shade Blue Blood, which I also want to do a look like this using Blue Blood as well. But we're going to take that and blend out Blue Monday. We're just going to take that in little tiny circular motions and like really slowly just blend out those edges. And you guys, these shadows blend out so well. Like they literally blend out on their own, and I really appreciate that because blending can take some time sometimes, especially with colors like this, but I found it really easy. And then we just go back into Blue Monday and we just re-intensify the lid a little bit. I still ended up with a little bit of a patchiness, but I think that's just my fault because I don't think I was paying attention too well. But like this color was easy to pack on, and it only like got patchy because I was blending out the edges. Now with this NYX glitter glue, we're going to take my up-and-coming brand, Hidden Jewel Cosmetics, which you can find on Twitter and Instagram. I'll link everything down below, even the Facebook page. And I'm just so excited about this. Like, this is a glitter named Pharaoh, and I am applying that as a glitter liner. My glitters apply very, very seamlessly. The colors I made, you guys, like, they are just so amazing. I leaked some on my Instagram and Twitter, so definitely go check that out. I'll be doing a whole YouTube video about my glitters, and I'm releasing lashes as well, but you know, it takes time, so that's what I'm doing. I really just wanted to test them out to make sure they were like, you know, easy to put on, easy to apply, and they are so easy to apply. I am obsessed with chunky glitter, obsessed with like texture, so you guys know my glitters are gonna be extra. And what you saw was not the packaging, guys. I'm waiting on the packaging to come in. We'll see that probably in some other videos because I plan on testing some other shades out. I really love glitter liner, so definitely watch out for more glitter liner, even though I've been doing it a lot. But watch out for my glitter liner with my glitters. But now we are going to, you know, prime our lower lash line and blend that out so we can do our lower lash line. And then we're going to go in with Blue Monday and, like, you know, just tap that along the bottom lash line and blend it out. And then we're just gonna you know, go into Blue Blood and blend that out some more. Sorry, I'm like really tired. It's midnight and I just want to go to sleep. So I'm getting a little bit silly sleepy. Like this video if you ever get like that. And then we're gonna take Cullinan and we're gonna pop that in the inner corner. And I believe I popped it on the brow bone. Let me see. No, I just popped it on the inner corner. And then we're gonna take Prance from ColourPop. This is a cream gel liner, and just put it on our waterline. Then for a primer, we're going to use Tatcha Silk Canvas. I'm trying to see the difference between the e.l.f. and this one. Like, I think I really need to wear them together, so I probably will do that soon in a video and like really get into detail about it because I cannot tell the difference at the moment. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm going to use the Dream Satin Liquid from Maybelline. Not sure what shade this is because I just started using this foundation, so I will definitely let you know my thoughts. I don't have a thought on it right now, so that's pending. And you guys, I use this every time I do my makeup off camera. Like, I love this makeup stick. It's like a makeup stick and it's contour color. It's from Wet n Wild and it's like $3 and it's just like the perfect contour shade. I'm just using a Sigma F80 and just blending it up and blending it like down on my chin. Like, I'm blending it where I want it to go. So like, this is just so good. Like, I love it. It's so creamy. It blends out really nicely. It looks so natural. I just love everything about this. So inexpensive and it's at Target. Thank you very much. And then we're using Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral because I haven't used this in so long and I kind of miss it because Tarte had be having that coverage and my skin is just so bad lately. I think it's because it's so hot in Florida nowadays. Like, Lord have mercy, this humidity is getting to my skin so bad. My pores are so clogged because I'm sweating constantly. I hate it. And this is also something else that I love from Wet n Wild. I'm using the light shade to set where my concealer is with the sponge, and it's so brightening and airbrushed. It's just so good. And then I'm gonna take the contour shade and set where my contour is and contour even more. And you guys, I know this has been out for a really long time, but I feel like I would have loved it way before now. This product is so good. These two products together are just so good. I just cannot. The stick and this, I feel like that's all I need. Like, it's really amazing. For highlight, we're going back into one of my old favorites. This is the Smashbox Casey Holmes Gold Spotlight Palette. And first we're going to take the middle shade and highlight, and then we're going to take the lightest shade and highlight just to make a nice gradient glow. Now we're taking the Pixie Glow Cake. This is I think Gilded Bear Glow. I'm not sure. But we're taking the darkest shade and just blushing up our cheeks a little bit and blushing our nose. And then for lips, we're taking Makeup Geek Plush Cream, and this is shade Jet Setter. It's like a gloss. It's a very pigmented gloss, but it's more like a satin finish. It's weird. I've never seen a texture like this before, but I really like this lipstick. I might wear this much more. Now we're just gonna pop on some lashes, use my name for some money off. And then we're gonna use the Evian spray. This spray is so good. It really calms down my skin whenever I'm having a rash actually. But we're gonna use it to get the powder residue off of our face today. So we're just gonna let that dry. And then this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for coming to watch this video with me, and make sure you stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and I will see you in my next video.
This game get fun. Top of God, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, be fine. Percocet.